Hello my dear students, once again I am here as we were solving chapter number 14 and we are on the last exercise of chapter number 14, that is 14.4. We have already completed 9 questions out of it. Let us see question number 10 onwards. What question number 10 is saying? Substituting x is equals to minus 3 in, it is having 4 parts, 3 parts. X square plus 5x plus 4 gives minus 3 square plus 5 into minus 3 plus 4. So the answer is 9. 5 minus 3 is 2 plus 4 is equals to 15. So what mistake he has done? Here these should have been multiplied. Since 5 is outside the bracket, so 3 will be multiplied with 5 and he has subtracted 5 minus 3, 2. So it is wrong. It should have been minus 3 square plus 5 into minus 3 plus 4, 9, 5 3 are 15, so it is minus 15 plus 4, 9 and 4 will be added. That should have been 13 minus 15. So the right answer was minus 2 while it is written as 15. So minus 15 is the wrong answer and negative 2 is the right answer, and here is the mistake. What is the mistake he has done in question part B? The question is x square minus 5x plus 4. He has substituted minus 3 in it. So minus 3 square, 5 and minus 3 and plus 4. Thereafter minus 3 square is 9, that is perfect, but this should have been plus 15, which he has written as minus 15 plus 4, and according to him the answer is minus 2, while the correct answer will be something else. What will be the correct answer? Minus 3 square minus 5 minus 3 plus 4, these will be multiplied, so 9 plus 15 plus 4, so 9 plus 4, 13, 28 must have been the answer while it is written as minus 2. Then the next question, C part of it, is x square plus 5x. Here he has substituted minus 3, 5 minus 3. These are the common mistakes which you people are doing in your calculation. So sometime you write it minus 9 only and minus 15 and you write it minus 24, but that is wrong. What is the mistake? When we will make the square of negative 3, it should have been positive 9. So positive 9 negative 15 will give us negative 6. So the right answer should have been negative 6, which he has mistakenly written negative 24, and the mistake is here. So this way you will solve these questions. What he has given, you will have to correct those mistakes. Then the next question is question number 11. You will have to find the mistakes in those questions and you will have to find the correct answer. Question number 11. What question number 11 says? Y minus 3 ka whole square should have been y square minus 9. Is it right or wrong? Absolutely wrong. Why? Because when y minus 3 whole square will be, it will be y square plus 3 square minus 2 into y into 3, and that should be equals to y square plus 9 minus 6y. So it is not equals to this. LHS is not equals to RHS. And the mistake I have told you that this is the mistake in it. Question number 12. What is given? The same way he has given for z plus 5. Z plus 5 the whole square is given as z square plus 25. No, now also it is wrong. Why? Because when we will open the whole square of z plus 5, we are going to get 3 terms. It is z square plus 5 square plus 2 into 5 into z. It means z square plus 25 plus tan z. LHS is not equals to RHS, and the mistake is of this tan z. Question number 13 is there. Question number 13 is 2a plus 3b multiplied by a minus b is giving us 2a square minus 3b square. Is it right? No, it is not. You will have to multiply it. There is no other option. 2a plus 3b when multiplied by a minus b, it will be something like this. 2a will be multiplied by a minus b, and plus ka 3b will also be multiplied by a minus b. So 2a into a is 2a square, and 2a into b is minus 2ab, plus ka 3ab and minus ka 3b square. So 2a square and minus 3b square will come, but plus ab will also come. So LHS is not equals to RHS in this question. And the mistake is this. Plus AB will come. I'm very sure it is clear to you. Then question number 14. What is there in question number 14? A plus 4 and a plus 2. He is saying it is a square plus 8. What you are saying? It is correct? No. Till now, not even a single question he was correct. So, how he can be correct now? So, it will be multiplied. And a will be multiplied with a plus 2. And 4 will be multiplied with a plus 2. So, it will become a square plus 2a, 4a plus 8. And finally, we will get 2a and 4a will be added. So, a square plus 6a plus 8. And we didn't get LHS equals to RHS. So, it is wrong. This is wrong. And the right answer is this. Question number 15. Question number 15 is once again the same. A minus 4, a minus 2. He is writing it a square minus 8. I hope this you can do. I have already told you two questions like this. So let me tell you question number 16. What he is saying, 3x square when divided by 3x square is 0. Is it? Yes. No, it is not. It is wrong. Why it is wrong? Because whenever we divide something by the same, we got 1, not 0. But you people are in a habit of doing this. आप कर देते हो ऐसा. So this will be equals to 1, not equals to 0. So LHS is not equals to RHS here. In this case, LHS is not equals to RHS. Now, what happened next? Question number 17. What is given in question number 17? 3x square plus 1 upon 3x square is equals to 1 plus 1, that is 2. आप बोल रहे हो सर पीछे आपने बताया 3x square से 3x square डिवाइड हो जाएगा तो ये 1 हो जाएगा, 1 plus 1 2. No, now also it is wrong. Because that time it was only 3x square was in the numerator, so it was 1. But now it is 3x square plus 1, so it cannot divide this. This is wrong. This cannot be done. So what we will do then? The only thing possible with this statement is that this 3x square can go separately with both of them. Separately कैसे? 3x square के पास भी चला जाएगा और 3x square 1 के पास भी चला जाएगा. So we will get 1 plus 1 upon 3x square. 2 नहीं आएगा इसका आंसर. That is why LHS will not be equals to RHS. ये RHS के इक्वल नहीं होगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 18. फिर क्या कह रहे हैं? कह रहे हैं कि चलो अच्छा सर ऐसे कर लो 3x अपॉन 3x प्लस 2 इज इक्वल्स टू 1 अपॉन 2. 3x से 3x कैंसिल हो गया, 1 अपॉन 2 आंसर आ गया. दिस इज once again LHS is not equals to RHS and we cannot solve anything in it. इसमें कुछ solve भी नहीं कर सकते. This is the फाइनल दिस इन इटसेल्फ इज विल रिमेन लाइक दिस ओनली, ये ऐसे का ऐसा ही रहेगा, इसमें हम कुछ सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते, तो सॉल्व करेंगे तो दैट विल बी अ बिट अपर लेवल। +2 -2 कर दें, कैसे 3x + 2 -2, और फिर 3x + 2 को 3x + 2 के नीचे और -2 को 3x + 2 के नीचे, 1 - 2 upon 3x + 2। सो दैट हैजंट बीन टॉट टू यू, इतना सब कुछ आपको है नहीं, तो ये आपको करना नहीं है। दिस इज गोइंग टू रिमेन लाइक दिस ओनली, ऐसे ही रहना है ये। ओके, सो दिस लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड राइट हैंड साइड इज नॉट इक्वल, बिकॉज कैंसिल वी कैन नॉट डू that those 3x cannot be cancelled, so it will remain like this only. And the same is in question number 90, because there also it is 3 upon 4x plus 3, and he is saying 3 से 3 cancel हो जाएगा, 1 upon 4x, no LHS, ये this is 3 and 3 cannot be cancelled, LHS is not equals to RHS, and it is going to remain like this only, ये ऐसे का ऐसा ही रहना है, कुछ नहीं हो सकता इसमें। Now question number 20, हाँ क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 में फिर से वही दोनों के साथ अलग अलग डिवाइड, 4x + 5 upon 4x कैन नॉट बी इक्वल्स टू 5, 5 के इक्वल नहीं होगा, क्यों, ऐसा थोड़ी 4x से 4x कैंसिल हो जाएगा तो द आंसर विल बी 5, सो दैट इज रॉन्ग। व्हाट इज पॉसिबल, 4x + 5 में 4x दोनों के साथ डिवाइड, it is possible like this, 4x upon 4x plus 5 upon 4x, what we got, 1 plus 5 upon 4x, and hence LHS is not equals to RHS. This is question number 20. Now question number 21. Question number 21 is 7x plus 5 upon 5 is equals to 7x, है ना, 5 इस बार 5 से 5 काट दिया, बचा 7x, no that is also wrong, फिर से वही करेंगे, 7x plus 5 will be divided with both of them, 7x upon 5, 5 upon 5, this time this will be cancelled, but that will not become 0, that will remain 1, so 7x upon 5 plus 1 will be the final answer, and then LHS is not equals to RHS. So this way, this of your exercise 14.4 is complete, and with that this of our task is complete. Now I am planning to take some of your tests for various chapters. So in the coming week, when I will not teach you, I will send you some of the test papers for various chapters. Okay, so get ready. In live class I will give you the details of test, and then by then you keep preparing the content. Okay.